Guys, today I'm going to install the taillight. I bought this from TacomaBeast, and this taillight is manufactured by Windjet Automotive. Alright, so here it is. So it comes with instructions. So please read this instruction before you install your taillight, because it says in here, if you did some mistake of installing it, it won't work, and maybe you go blow out some fuse and your truck won't work. So before installing it, maybe have some couple fuse backup just in case. So let me see if it says what kind of fuse. Alright, to remove your factory taillight, you grab your 10mm socket, you remove this bolt right here and the bolt at the very bottom. Remove your bolts right there. You're gonna pull your taillight straight out. After you remove your taillight, this is how it's gonna look like. And then you remove your lights. So this is the new taillight that I'm gonna install and replace that one. This is how you're gonna look like. So it's very important that you follow the instruction. You see this black wire right there? Should connect on the black wire right there in your wiring in Tacoma. Okay, so this is what's gonna look like. Your black wire to your black wire, yeah, align. This one too, black wire to the black wire, and just gonna put it all back together.